What is the full form of BA?
Bachelor of Arts.
What is the full form of MA?
Master of Arts.
What is the full form of B.Ed?
Bachelor of Education.
What is the full form of M.Ed?
Master of Education.
What is the full form of D.L.Ed?
Diploma in Elementary Education.
What is the full form of IPS?
Indian Police Service.
What is the full form of LLB?
Bachelor of Law.
What is the full form of BCom?
Bachelor of Commerce.
What is the full form of M.Ed?
Master of Education.